Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can creating background in CapCut apps. So prepare your videos and then to create a background. So I'm going to remove the background before the original background. So just select cutout. For this kind of the video you can select remove background. As you can see, background has been removed. And then to add the new background, you are just going to select the canvas. So you can select color, background, or blur. For example, I'm going to select background. You can select background from your images. Just click on it and then select the image that you want to add as a background. So that's it. But you can also add the background available here. So that's it. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.